Looking for electric Burr coffee grinders for this Christmas? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, designed for the ultimate performance and reliability. The KitchenAid Burr grinder uses stainless steel burrs to grind coffee consistently at any of the 15 available grind levels. The glass bean hopper holds up to 7 ounces of whole beans that you can quickly grind for French press coffee, automatic drip coffee makers, espresso or anything in between, by KitchenAid. Number 2, the innovative Sette 270W is a serious espresso grinder for home, offering an exceptional espresso grind profile. This grinder has a macro/micro grind adjustment for unlimited adjustability, doses by weight directly into a portafilter or bin, and has a small footprint that fits perfectly in your kitchen counter, by Baratza. Number 3, the perfect coffee begins with freshly ground beans. The DeLonghi Dedica grinder, model KG520.M, features 18 variable coffee and 3 strength settings for espresso, drip coffee/pour over and French press, so you can easily customize your perfect brew, by DeLonghi. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.